Hey, how are you doing?
I'm good. A little tired, though. How about you?
I'm doing pretty well. I had a really busy morning.
Oh, really? What happened?
I woke up late, missed my bus, and then I spilled coffee all over my shirt.
Oh, no. That's a terrible way to start the day.
Exactly. I was standing there thinking, can this day get any worse?
And did it?
Actually, no. Things got better after that.
That's good. Sometimes a bad morning doesn't mean you'll have a bad day.
True. So what have you been up to today?
I went to work, had 2 meetings, answered about 100 emails, and now I'm finally free.
100 emails?
Okay, maybe not 100, but it felt like 100.
I know that feeling. How's your work going these days?
Pretty well, actually. I'm working on a new project.
What's it about?
We're creating a new website for a customer.
Sounds interesting. Do you enjoy working on projects like that?
Most of the time, I like being creative, but sometimes the deadlines are stressful.
I can understand that. Do you usually work from home or at the office?
Mostly from home. What about you?
I work at the office 3 days a week and from home for 2 days.
That's actually a pretty good schedule.
Yeah, I like it. When I work from home, I don't have to spend an hour traveling.
That's one of the best things about working from home.
Definitely. But there's one problem.
What's that?
My kitchen is about 5 steps away from my desk.
So?
So I keep finding reasons to get snacks.
That's dangerous.
Very dangerous. Yesterday, I started working at 9 and somehow ended up eating cookies at 10.
That's not a work problem. That's a cookie problem.
Maybe you're right.
Speaking of food, have you had lunch yet?
Not yet. I'm actually getting hungry.
What are you thinking about having?
I don't know. Maybe a sandwich?
A sandwich? That's boring.
Excuse me, sandwiches can be exciting.
Really? How?
You can put almost anything inside one.
Fair point. What would you put in your perfect sandwich?
Chicken, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and a little spicy sauce.
That actually sounds good. What about you?
I'd probably choose a burger.
Of course you would.
What's that supposed to mean?
Nothing. You just seem like a burger person.
I don't know what that means, but I'll take it as a compliment.
You should. Do you like cooking?
Yes, when I have time.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
Pasta. It's quick, easy, and you can change it every time.
I'm terrible at cooking pasta.
How can you be terrible at cooking pasta?
I don't know. I somehow always cook too much.
That's not a problem,
Why not?
because you can save it for tomorrow.
That's true. Maybe you're better at this than me.
Hey, have you traveled anywhere recently?
Not recently, but I'm thinking about taking a trip next month.
Really? Where do you want to go?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe somewhere with beaches.
That sounds perfect.
I just want to relax, forget about work, and enjoy some good food.
I would love that. Do you prefer traveling alone or with friends?
With friends, definitely. Traveling alone can be peaceful, but traveling with friends is more fun.
I agree.
But traveling with friends can also be stressful,
Why?
because everyone wants to do something different.
That's true.
One person wants to go shopping, another wants to visit museums, and someone else just wants to sleep.
And there's always one person who says, I don't care, you decide.
Yes, and then they complain about the decision.
Exactly.
What's the best place you've ever visited?
That's a difficult question.
Take your time.
I'd say the mountains. I loved the quiet atmosphere and the fresh air.
That sounds nice. I prefer cities.
Really?
Yeah, I love walking around, trying different restaurants, visiting interesting places, and just watching people.
Maybe we should take a trip together.
Maybe we should.
So, what are you doing this weekend?
I haven't made any plans yet.
Nothing at all?
Nothing. And honestly, that's exactly what I need.
You just want to stay home?
Maybe. I'll probably watch a movie, order some food, and sleep late.
That sounds like a perfect weekend.
What about you?
A friend invited me to a barbecue.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Are you bringing anything?
I'm supposed to bring drinks.
Supposed to?
Yeah, I have a habit of forgetting things.
Then you'd better write it down.
Good idea.
And don't forget the drinks.
I won't.
You'd better not.
I'll put it in my phone right now.
Good. Now you're prepared.
By the way, have you talked to Sarah recently?
Not for a few days. Why?
She told me she's thinking about changing jobs.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, she said she's looking for something more interesting.
I can understand that. Sometimes you just need a change.
Have you ever wanted to quit your job?
Honestly, yes.
Really?
Of course. I think everyone feels that way sometimes.
What stopped you?
I started thinking about what I really wanted. Then I realized that I didn't need to quit immediately. I just needed to make some changes.
That's actually good advice.
Thanks. What about you?
I've definitely thought about it, especially after a stressful week.
And what do you do when you're stressed?
I go for a walk, listen to music, or call a friend.
That sounds healthy.
Fair enough.
Actually, do you want to grab coffee sometime this week?
Sure. When are you free?
How about Thursday evening?
Thursday works for me.
Around 6?
6 is perfect.
There's a new cafe near my office. We could try it.
Sounds good. What's it called?
I think it's called Green Corner.
I know that place. I've heard good things about it.
Great, then it's a plan.
Wait, what if it's crowded?
We can go somewhere else.
Perfect. I like having a backup plan.
Me too.
You know, we talked about a lot today.
We did. Work, food, travel, weekends, friends.
And cookies.
Don't forget the cookies.
Never.
I'm glad we talked. I needed a break from work.
Same here. It's nice to just sit down and talk.
Definitely.
Well, I should probably get going.
Yeah, me too.
I'll see you Thursday.
Thursday at 6.
Don't be late.
I'm never late.
That's not what I remember.
Okay. I'll try to be on time.
That's all I ask.
See you Thursday.
See you. Take care.
You too.
Now it's your turn. Imagine you're talking with a friend.
What did you do today?
Where would you like to travel?
What do you usually do on weekends?
And what food do you enjoy?
Don't worry about making perfect sentences. Just speak. Speak slowly if you need to.
And try to answer the questions out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
So let's practice English together.
See you in the next conversation.